Hey everybody, welcome to the 100 Acre Wood Builder Die little mini tutorial here. It is a super easy die to use. I just grabbed some scrap pieces that were laying around in the craft room. A lot of them, they were from Steven. I stole some of his backgrounds and textured pieces. That's okay. They need to go somewhere, right? I chose to ink blend some of the pieces, like the little dripping honey that goes on the top of the pot. I ink blended the signpost here. I just used some hybrid inks just to create my own wood look. And of course, you could use a brown paper as well, or a wood grain textured paper would look really great here as well. I just was looking for something quick and unique and that I could write over with a white Posca pen later. I also ink blended the A2 card size background on a light blue paper with some green oxide inks. And this little piece I found was super awesome for a forest floor. And I thought it was super cute. And I wanted to keep it light and a little bit more springy happy. So that's why I chose those lighter colors. And then with this tree, after I glued on, I've decided just to use a little bit of fine tip black pen. Just to add a little bit more detail. Just kind of scribble in a little knot there. Give it a little line to the tree. Give it some texture, you know? Next up, we're just going to glue on the base of our little beehive, which I think is so adorable and so cute. I love the little beehive, and you'll kind of see why at the end of this card as well. Again, this little top piece, it's another scrap. I just was like, okay, does this die fit on this tiny little piece? And it did, and I was like, perfect, because we can use it up. That's where you got to save your scraps too, right? Because there might be something little like this little pot that honestly there was nothing else that I could have probably put on there except for that pot. And I'm like, perfect use. Makes a cute little clay pot. And then we just pop that on there and we are done with our little honey pot that you could use with the poo stamp as well. I think that tree would be great if you kind of drew a swing under it. That would also be super cute. I thought, you know what, I might use this card as a birthday card in the future. So on the signpost in the white Posca, I decided to write 100 Acre Wood because I still want to make it a oh poo poo, we need the poo. That's a lot of poo there. Themed card. So I did write 100 Acre Wood on there. And then on the top sign post, I put party this way. And I tried to use like that backwards letters that they kind of use in the Winnie the Pooh stories. Like the characters or Christopher Robin may have written it himself on those signs. So I think it's super cute. And then I took my little bee stamp and I stamped that on. I stamped 3 little bees in kind of a bright orange, and then that completed the card. So I hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time, everyone.